Till now, in fractions, we learned about something called a common denominator. But have you ever noticed something? When numbers are small, fractions are easy to understand. We can even place them on a number line without any problem. But when numbers become very large with lots of digits, everything becomes confusing. So, what do? We simplify the numbers. And that is exactly why we use greatest common divisor or simply GCD. GCD has a very simple purpose to divide things equally without leaving any remainder and also to make big fractions simple and easy. Let me explain about this. You have a bunch of Lego blocks. You want smaller pieces from them. What will you do? You will break them apart. When you break them, they spread into many small pieces. This is called expansion. But our goal is not just breaking. Our goal is to get smaller useful pieces. So first we break the number. Then we rebuild it in the simplest form. Now let's understand with an example. Find the GCD of 2520 and 3780. First take 2520. Start dividing it using small numbers like 2 or 3. Keep dividing step by step until you are left only with prime numbers. Now do the same thing for 3780. Break it down completely into prime factors. Now comes the most important step. Look at both sets of factors. Pick only the numbers that are common in both. Now multiply those common numbers and the final result is your GCD. GCD is simply the largest equal piece you can make from two big numbers.